and welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 14th to the 18th of December 2020. Guys, it seems as if Mam Sonto used to date all her business partners. That includes Muhato and Bram Mike. Miguel was very, very active in her times. Guys, let's move along. On Monday, Bram Mike shot his shot and asked Sonto if they can rekindle their old romance. Melusi pressures Teddy to talk on Tuesday. The woman in Tati's life worry her when it comes to their male companion choices. Sonto received some loves on Wednesday. Bram Mike asked Sonto for a couple of forevers and she says yes. Bundla walks into an unexpected when she finds Sonto and Tati torturing a man. Teddy gets to the verge of exposing Manzi on Thursday. Melusi set out to find out the truth about what's going on between Teddy and Manzi. Manzi tried to do damage control when she realizes that she might soon be busted. Tati is not happy with the idea of Sonto and Bram Mike dating on Friday. When Melusi meets with Teddy, he has a confession of his own. When Melusi confronts Manzi, the whole world explodes. Butle blackmail has paid off, but it destroys Ntokozo. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.